February 22nd, a Monday morning in Little Prairie, Wisconsin. This has been a tough winter, and I'm not saying that I could complain when thinking about the terrible disaster that happened to millions in Texas. A very sad, terrible disaster for those people. But this has been tough, and there's a lot of snow. We didn't get it all at once. We got it a snowstorm and another snowstorm and another snowstorm without any real measurable thaw in between. It just snowed on top of snow, and of course I've been dealing with it every time we had snow. Now, going out to the front, the snow piles are huge. The roof situation looks bad. I got to deal with that, and to tell you the truth, I'm exhausted right now. Look at this, that snow pile really grew. I'm exhausted, and I could snow blow the snow off the ice. There's nothing but ice underneath that snow, and that's because we had that one storm that started out with wet snow, rain mixed with snow, and then it froze. That's been there ever since. So there's no way I get the ice off of that, and especially not with the snow blower. It would clog it and probably shear the pin. But that's how it is. This year I have really given it some serious thought because I'm all alone here. I don't have help. I'm not crying the blues, mind you. But I thought about maybe I should think about selling out and getting myself into an apartment where I don't have to do any of this. That's an idea that I really hate and I want to avoid. You know, this was a bad year. We could get worse. I remember way back in the early 80s, I was stranded for 3-4 days because of a major blizzard where I was living. And my millionaire employer of the day wasn't very understanding about the fact I couldn't make it into work. He finally accepted the idea of it, but he didn't like it, that I couldn't get in, and I couldn't get out at all for, I think it was 3, maybe even 4 days. I remember my friend Al telling me on the same storm that he had a policeman and a bakery guy staying at his house for a while because they were stuck. So I managed to get through this, but if we get winters where it's even worse than this, I honestly don't know how I all by myself can cope. And like I say, I'm not crying the blues. This is nothing compared to what people in Texas suffered. That's a major disaster down there that they need a lot of assistance down there. But I don't know if this will be the last of the snow. I doubt it. We should thaw by the weekend, but that might be about the only time we see a thaw, and then it might get cold again. I don't know. But that's how it is on February 22nd, 2021, Monday morning in Little Prairie.